As you guys know, growing plants in Dubai or UAE is very hard. So I take upon this job to grow plants in Dubai in desert in my balcony of my apartment. So I experimented with these tomato seeds. You can see. So now it's growing. So I planted. It was really small. Now it grows well. It's grew well, and then you can see there is like flowers coming in.
Friends, before watching the video, please make sure to like and subscribe my video.
You see another one. So I planted like lots of seeds, and most of like around 12 to 20 plants grew, but as they were in a small pot, they were not growing well. So I had to like pull them out, wet them out, and then I kept only like two from 12 to 20, and then you can see they started growing well. Okay, I also had to put some fertilizer on it. It's called KMP. I bought it from Day to Day, and then I used them. Now they are growing well. They have this flower on it, and I think pretty soon I will have some tomatoes on it, and then I will harvest them. I will keep posted the updates here soon. Okay, bye bye, take care.